What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. It will help me out so much. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make $3,000 a month working 5 hours a week doing real estate as a side hustle, okay? So let's go ahead and begin. So the first step will be getting licensed, okay? So here in Nevada, I had to go to a 90-hour school. So that took me about 2 to 3 weeks to finish. After you finish your 90 hours, you get your certificate. Then you take the test for the school to see where you're at, to see if you're ready to take the other two tests that's very important, which is the state test and the national test. Okay, you could take both of them at the same time, so you only have to pay a one-time fee for both of them, compared to if you take it separately, you'll have to pay two fees for it. Okay, so after you pass those three tests, the school test, state test, the national test, then you get all your certification. You go to the division, that's what we call it here in Las Vegas. Then they're gonna help you get licensed, right? And they're gonna ask you whether or not if you want to join the association, which is, if you join the association, that's when they call you. You can call yourself a realtor, and it costs a few $100s to join them. I don't want to say how much it is because that'll take us a lot longer in this video, and it probably went up like 5-6 years ago because inflation. So after you talk to the division, you join the realtors, you then have to pick a brokerage. And if you're just starting out, I suggest you pick a brokerage that gives you clients. And usually if they give you clients, they give you leads, they give you, I would say when I first joined, I joined one and they gave me around five leads a day. So I would just work those leads, because starting out, you don't have clients yet of your, for yourself. So I figured out a way to make money by joining a brokerage that would give me clients, because I didn't have any at all. So they would just give me their clients, and I worked that. So within a few months later, that's when I started closing my deals, right? So because in real estate, it takes about, if it's a cash offer, it takes 2 weeks to close. But if it's like a traditional financing, like FHA, VA, conventional, that takes at least minimum 30 days, okay? So don't expect a paycheck until, I would say, just on average 30 to 60 days, okay? It's not like that. But I promise you, as soon as you get that first paycheck, you're gonna be like, wow, this was worth it. So how exactly can you do it? So let's break down the math. If you want to make, let's say for example, if you want to make $1,000 a month, that's very achievable in real estate. So the average home here in Las Vegas is $400,000, and the average commission is 3%. So you have to take 3% off of $400,000. So the way I do this is you take $100,000 and then you take the 3%. So that would be $3,000, right? So out of $400,000, so you got 3,000, 6,000, 9,000, 12,000. So you only have to sell one home that's worth $400,000. And here in Las Vegas, that's very achievable, because the average price, the average home here in Las Vegas is around $400,000 to $450,000. So sell one house that's worth $400,000, and that would equate to you earning $1,000 a month for the whole year, okay? Because that's $12,000. So if you want to make $3,000 a month, you just times that by 3. So you just have to sell 3 homes that's worth $400,000 each. So 4, 8, 12, so 1.2 million. It's very achievable, guys. If you just do the math, you can do it. It's easy. It gets a lot easier. And as soon as you join a brokerage that gives you leads, you have to grind. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You have to grind. You have to keep messaging them until they eventually start buying. But the best part with the leads that they give you is that those people are looking to buy. They're not just random people from the streets that they pulled the info from, okay? Those people had inquired at like Zillow or Realtor.com, gave their info, and want to buy, okay? They're not just, most of them are just looking around, but at least they're looking to buy, okay? It may not be now, may not be tomorrow, but sooner or later, okay? And besides the leads that they give you, I would suggest that you talk to all your family and your friends, and make sure that they are aware that you are a realtor now, that you're doing real estate and you started the business, because who else better that's going to help you? Your family, your friends, your close friends, right? And make sure you spread the word to your inner circle. Make sure everybody knows. Make business cards, make flyers, start going to parties and talking to people. Just remember, you only have to sell one home that's worth $400,000, okay? If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.